How to fade in and out effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the CapCut application on your device and then select a project that you want to add the fade in and out of effect in the CapCut. So I've already selected a file over here. Now tap on the file, or you can just directly go to the effect option at the bottom of the screen, then tap on video effects. So here just select on fade in, and as you tap on fade in, you will have the options of fade in and fade out option both. So you can select on any of the effect over here on the specific area. So if I have added fade in option over here and I want to add fade out options over here, so you can just go back and tap on video effects and select for fade out options as well. So just tap on fade out and you can see the effect over here by playing this video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.